For this particular project, because it's with BMoCA and the EcoArts, it's all about bringing awareness to the rights of nature. And so being able to build something with all of that in mind has been absolutely wonderful. I think, yeah, we've all really enjoyed it.
The environmental design program has just been incredibly delightful to work with, both because of what we're exploring in this project, which is how do we build differently, right? How do we build in such a way that it's beneficial for the tree?
To start the project, we were able to three-dimensionally scan the tree. The idea of these collaborative workspaces is that they have to be collaborative, but they also have to respect the rights of nature. In other words, a tree can absolutely not be harmed. We cannot dig in the ground, we cannot dig in the tree or attach anything to the tree. It was a collaborative project between the Boulder Museum of Contemporary Art, a New York-based artist, Natalie Jeremijenko, EcoArts Connections, and CU Boulder.
So originally we started off in three different groups with different ideas, and from there we combined them into one cohesive idea. The main theme of our projects was modularity, and so as a result, when creating this, we decided to go and use 4x8 and 4x4 modules to create the project.
This technological opportunity that we have now to really reimagine where and how we work, and to redesign our relationship to natural systems, I would argue is the most exciting and important design challenge of the 21st century.